At my pitch for tonight. I mean, it is 3 o'clock, so I am quite early to be fair. Yeah, there we go. Nice little bench there. That fire pit. I don't know why you need to do it, I really don't. But I won't be using that, that's for sure. So I'm going to pitch round about here. Seems to be the best place. I mean, there are routes and stuff like that, but it seems to be the best place here, to be honest. Yeah, chill out, put my feet up, we'll try to anyway. Enjoy the rest of the day. Don't think we're forecast any winds, so we should be alright.
The Abriacan Forest pitch is about 15 miles out from Inverness if you're doing north to south, or 3 miles after Drumnadrochit if you're doing south to north. It's easily spottable from the path, so keep your eyes out and enjoy your night.
Can't beat a good brew while you're camping. Morning. 22 minutes past 6. Nice crisp morning. So I'm going to get a brew on, pack all my stuff away, get the tent down and get cracking. That's where I camped. The tent was around here. Created myself a little pathway to my bench. Obviously that fire pit was there before I got here. Yeah, leave no trace as always. Give you a quick sunrise view. I just messed up where I was planning on pitching. I thought it was somewhere, but it actually wasn't. So yeah, I thought sod it. Fort Augustus is 6 miles from Invermorriston, so I just thought sod it. Do you know what? Get on with it. Get here, and then obviously I knew Kitcherlock was only a couple of miles down the canal path. Morning. Coffee on the go. Up and dressed. Bloody sheep over there. You think you see him? By the fence. Messing about last night. Bearing in mind I'm absolutely shattered. It's freaking me right out last night. I think usually I wouldn't be that bothered, but I think just again because I was that tired. I was just thinking anything. Yeah, I'll give you a little tour of the Trailblazer site. You actually come off the trails up there. You have to come down a little bit of a hill to get down there. That's going to be fun getting back up there tomorrow, especially with this foot. Yeah, you've got the hut there. Very tempted, or was very tempted to kip in here tonight, but the only downside, really, come on man. The only downside is if there's like a canoe lot that rock up, they'll probably need it more than me, or they'll benefit from it more than me anyway. So I've decided to pitch up still. There's some carved bears up there. There's one up there that you can't see, but I'll probably show you that tomorrow. Massive fire pit, a few benches, and then easy access down onto the beach. Where a lovely little bears are in a canoe. He's living the high life, him, isn't he? Look at him. He is loving life. Oh, hang on, there's 4. One's having a kip there. One's enjoying the view, just holding the panel. And there you go, there's some canoeists coming in now. So if you come round here, hopefully you can hear me over the wind. We have had some sheep here. There is a hoof mark next to my tent, so there's definitely been some sheep around here, and not too distant past. But yeah, I was chilling here for a bit, but I thought the wind's actually quite chilly, so the missus is telling me to get in there and have a dip, but I'll just, no, if I go in there I ain't getting back out again, 'cause I'm knackered. So come up here, and then there's my tent. So that was a nice little loop around this campsite. I keep calling it a campsite, it's Trailblazer wild camping site. So the moon's popped out there, you can just see it. And then if we go around the corner, obviously there you have Ben Nevis in the background. I wish the cameras did it justice, I really do. It's an absolute beast from what I'm looking at. You see the snow on it and everything. Morning all. Another glorious morning. Sun's going to come up over there somewhere. A few clouds. I was expecting to wake up to a bit of a clag fest, but it's actually really nice this morning. Coldest morning so far, but I think that is because we're next to the lock. The north face of Ben Nevis is looking absolutely fantastic. I'll spin you around, I don't know if, bear with, I'll zoom in, hold on. Looks like the first boat's coming down the lock already. Eager beavers. Day 5 is finally here, the last day. I'm going to put you down because my hands are shaking. There we go. Not because it's cold, I don't know why, they're just shaking. Yeah, day 5. Final day. Madness.